Hello guys, first of all a very happy Deepavali. May the glow of diyas lights up your path with the joy and happiness. Enjoy the festival, but make sure you don't harm environment. Fire the crackers in the limits and make sure you don't harm any animals and also the people. So today we are discussing about the upcoming latest one of the most awaited series, that is Samsung Galaxy S24 series. After great success of S23, now Samsung is launching its next series, S24 series. So in this also you will be getting three models, S24, S24 Plus and S24 Ultra. In this video I will be sharing you the complete details of S24 Ultra. So I will be covering the launch date, the specifications and finally I will be covering the price. So make sure you will watch the video till the end. This is Hemant Dharamdas and you are watching Hemant Tech Talks. So let's go. So guys, first let me tell you the launch date of the S24 series. So according to the rumors and leaks, the expected launch date of the S24 series will be 17 January 2024 and this will be launching in San Francisco. Now let us talk about the processor. So in this phone you will be getting a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. So it is one of the best processor in the world. It is compared to the latest iPhone's chip, that is A17 chip, Bionic A17 chip. So this is one of the best processor and also it is compared to the upcoming processor, that is MediaTek Dimensity 9300. So you can say that it is the one of the best processor in the world. So guys, no doubt you will be experiencing the best performance of gaming in this device. And also you can do your heavy work in this smartphone very smoothly and you will be not facing any heat issue in this device, and also high graphics games are also supported. Now let us talk about the camera. Here you will getting quad camera, that is 4 camera, 200 megapixel of main camera plus 12 megapixel of ultra wide camera plus 10 megapixel of telephoto camera, and here you will getting 50 megapixel of periscope camera. In S23 Ultra there it was just 10 megapixel, but here they have increased it to direct 50 megapixel. So as you all know guys, Samsung never disappoints us regarding the camera, and this mobile going to be the best camera mobile ever. Company claims regarding this smartphone they have worked very hard for the camera and they have done very far better from the S23 Ultra. In S23 Ultra, the color capturing and the color gradient was not good. Company claimed that they will cover this issue and they will give the best camera ever. And for front, they will be giving same as S23 Ultra, that is 12 megapixel front camera. Now let us talk about the battery backup and charger. There is still confusion in this segment because some websites says there will be 65 watts charger and some will say 45 watt charger. So there is no clarity in this concept, but still I guess there will be 65 because it is the updated series. And for battery backup, same as S23 Ultra, there will be 5000 mAh of battery backup. So guys, according to the rumors, there will be craziest inbuilt AI features on it. Yes, AI features same as Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. There you have seen manyest craziest like denoise and something object remover, etc. Similarly, better than Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, they are adding in S24. They are adding the best AI features. Guys, Samsung again copied the iPhone. Before they have copied their adapter, like iPhone don't give adapter in their smartphones. Similarly, now Samsung doesn't give adapter in their phones. Now they again copied iPhone. In iPhone 15 Pro models, they have titanium frame, right? And similarly, now in S24 Ultra, there will be the titanium frame. Yeah, again it copied the iPhone. Yes guys, S24 Ultra's frame is made up of titanium. Titanium metal, you know, same as iPhone 15 Pro models. It is a harder metal and lighter metal, and as they have used titanium in this, it is lighter than S23 Ultra. I think it is a hybrid of iPhone and Pixel. They mixed both and created S24 Ultra because it has the features of features of AI features of Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro and the frame of iPhone. They mixed it and created S24 Ultra. But guys, still it is good. Suppose a person wants both the things, like he or she wants the AI features of Pixels and frame of iPhone. He don't need to buy the both. Instead of he or she can buy the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. It is best, guys, best. So guys, finally we will talk about the price of the S24 Ultra. So I'm not predicting the price. It is according to the rumors and leaks and through the various websites. So the expected price of the S24 Ultra will be $1,800, approximately 1,49,000 in INR, that is Indian currency. So my personal opinion says that this will going to be the best smartphone of this era. This will destroy every smartphone and create a new brand S24 Ultra in the market. No doubt guys, this is the best smartphone. It has good camera, good processor, everything in this smartphone is perfect guys, literally perfect. So these were some leaks and rumors that I have found about the S24 Ultra. In future, if I found some more leaks and rumors, definitely I will be going to make video on it. So make sure you do subscribe. So that is it for the today guys. If you find the video is informative, then don't forget to do like. And here is a technical guy with tech talks. You will be getting thousands of tech videos on this channel. Then make sure you do subscribe to our channel. And what do you think about S24 Ultra? Let me know in the comment section.